So there's an amazing book called Drugs and Travel in 20th-Century Literature, which makes the case that drugs and travel are so discursively entangled, so discursively intimate, that we use the same metaphors and analogies to describe the subjective experiences of each. I mean, even the term hallucination derives from the Latin term hallucinare, which means to wander in our minds, right? So when we are hallucinating, we are traveling in our heads, right? Why travel? Well, the hero's journey, right? This map that describes a departure from the ordinary, leaving normal thoughts behind. Treading forth in a new environment, dealing with conflicts, real ones or cognitive ones, slaying the dragon, solving the conundrum and the existential itch, and then making the return with a new lesson learned. Wandering in our minds and taking the physical journey both incorporate this motif of transformation, an unfolding that happens in time. We cross over. I mean, implicit in the term ecstatic drug experience is this notion of ecstasy, the non-static, right? The pushing through, the crossing over, the breaking the threshold, the piercing the veil. The curtain parts and what had never been seen is devoured by the eyes. We take a trip, we call it tripping. You see the analogies, you see the parallels. These two discursively intimate universes reveal to us that the outer journey and the inner journey mirror each other. In fact, they are one and the same. And I love that, right? I love that because I have the traveler's itch. I have the wanderlust. I yearn for the wholly other. I look at the departure monitors in the airports listing all those destinations. As Alain de Botton cites in his book, The Art of Travel, we look upon those screens and we think to ourselves, London, Amsterdam, Prague, Berlin, Mozambique, South Africa, whatever it may be, it's anywhere else but here, right? We long to cross over. We long to experience, to take the trip, to take the journey.